So, if you want to lock your USB drive with a password without downloading any extra software, here is the safest built-in way using Windows BitLocker. First, plug in your USB drive. Now press Windows plus E on your keyboard to right-click and select BitLocker. Make sure you are using Windows 11 Pro to find this option. Now move the cursor and mark Use a password to unlock the drive. Type your password and select Next, and then recover your key in case if you forgot it. You can keep it saved on a Microsoft account or print it out on a file. If you forgot the password, this is the only way you get the key. Then click on Next, choose the encrypt, use disk space only. After it finishes, unplug and reconnect the USB. Now Windows asks for a password every time someone plug it in. And this is how you can look up driver with a password without any software extra.